Hello everybody. So on this edition of Tasty Tuesday Tip, I'm going to do something a little different. I know I'm showing a video of some foods, but today I'm just going to talk about how to enhance the absorption of iron in foods that you eat. So you think about iron. Iron is a component of hemoglobin, which in the red blood cells will help to carry oxygen to different parts of the body from the lungs. So what are the good sources of iron? Meats are a good source of iron, but other than meats, you have plant-based sources, dark green leafy vegetables, tofu, dried beans, lentils, dried beans, cashews. You have different foods that are good source of iron. But you have to get more, if you want to get more absorption, there are certain ways you have to do that. Vitamin C and foods that are good source of iron, when you eat those in the same meal, consuming the same meal, that's going to help enhance the absorption. For instance, let's just say you had a dark green leafy vegetable, you have a salad or something, and you added red peppers, great source of iron. Vitamin C. Red peppers are a great source of vitamin C. When you compare those, pair those two, it's going to help your body absorb more iron. Another idea, let's say you had a cereal that was fortified with iron, a fortified iron cereal, and you had like 100% orange juice in the same meal. It's going to help you absorb and help your body absorb the iron. So there are ways you can enhance it because there are two different types of iron, heme and non-heme, but I'm going to get into all that today. But with those particular ideas, those are just two quick ways to help to enhance the absorption of iron. So make sure you take care of your health and always understand that small steps equals big change. So no matter what your goal is, keep taking steps to where you want to be. So I want to just give you this quick tip so as you're preparing meals and your foods, you can kind of be more aware of what you're doing to help make sure you get what you need in your diet. I'll see y'all later. Don't forget to check out www.stepsforchange.net. See ya.